are climbing up the Himalaya. I'm running for 10 hours. Marathon, I told you, we're gonna do some extreme stuff. Guys, I'm joking, it's only 10 seconds of running. The bike is in this car. So we are bringing my freestyle bike high in the mountain. I go back in the car. Just arrived at the starting line of the only nice paved road here in the Mustang area, so I'm gonna just race now up to the highest point I can with my freestyle Duke and drop some cool tricks. So let's do that. Let's start the adventure.
Okay, I'm just gonna quickly introduce our friend from Nepal.
My name is Ganda Ng.
He's gonna help us with the drone shots,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
Because it's illegal for us foreigners to fly drones.
fly.
Yeah, this is our support. All the shots are from our friend. Thank you.
And we are in Himalaya. We have some Dukers in Himalaya. Who would thought that, right?
6 kilometers far away from
600.
from this place. They just asked me, is rock over there?
Yeah.
And then I told them, yes, rock is up there. Go and get a photograph.
So you travel 600 kilometers to come here.
Yes.
750.
Oh, 750 kilometers.
750
kilometers.
So this is what I call a true rocker. He just raised the level what means to be a rock-on fan. Man, thank you very much.
Welcome.
I'm speechless, man. You have, man, it's on the limit. Luckily we have crash cages and sub cages. Let's go. Damn, my butt hurts, my back hurts. It's a long travel, 2 days of up and downs in the mountains, but we are here now. Dominic, you know where we are?
In Mustang area, but I don't know exactly.
They told me we are in Muktinath Mustang and we are on 3,664 meters, man.
That's a lot.
You've been higher in your life?
No, never.
Me too, man. So I feel a bit breathing, but we came here to make history. I teased a bit on my social media that we're gonna make history, but I didn't want to say what exactly we're gonna do. I didn't know if we even arrive here since it's so far. So we are here now and we're gonna do, guys, are you ready? We're gonna do a world record, the highest stunt riding show on the planet. We're gonna attend it. I'm gonna try my best. I hope I'm gonna do it. And what I need to do is 20-minute show. And it sounds maybe easy, but since we are so high, it's very hard to breathe. So we prepared an oxygen box. Why is that important? If I fade, I hope I will not fade when I do tricks. That means a hard crash and we don't want this. So the only thing that's gonna take me back to the hospital is a chopper. And yeah, if I feel bad, I need to stop, they told me, and to breathe, and maybe I can bleed or puke, or it's very hard. And another big point that makes my job hard, the bike has 30 horsepower in the normal attitude, and now when we are so high at 3,664 meters, we have around 30% less power making tricks, and for 20 minutes that's gonna be a tough one. To make it official, we prepared two phones, right Marco? This one is for what?
It's for time,
And the other one?
for altitude.
Altitude, and the camera, so it's shooting everything. So we have the proof for the world record and maybe Guinness World Record, right?
Both of them.
So let's see. Are you ready?
Ready?
Let's do it. Man, but without my lucky jacket, the rock-on jacket, I will not attend this trick. So I changed this jacket.
Well, come on, the spectators are already waiting.
Yeah. Guys, are you ready? Okay, let's do the world record. My KTM family, are you ready? Without them, I wouldn't be here, so thank you guys. So, let's make the world record.
3, 2, 1.
Can you breathe?
I see only white spots. This is the hardest show that I did in my life. Dominic, we did it! It was worth it. We cannot say sure that the world record is done. We need to send the video to the Guinness World Records, right, Marco? Come here, man. KTM Nepal, those are the guys that brought us here to make this possible. Guys, I need my oxygen. The Duke 250 is now rocking Nepal also.
And rock in the world.
See you in the next vlog. Until then. Thank you, KTM Nepal, man. You guys are amazing. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. So you brought us, like, we've been traveling 2 days that we can make this world record, and yeah, I'm speechless. I'm just happy. I started 10 years ago to do this sport, and it brought me here on the top of the world. But without you guys, man, sorry, but it's emotional.
He's crying for real.
Give me the camera, man. And headlamps, without you, we wouldn't be here. So we did it.
Thanks, man, for the opportunity.
Yeah. Marco,
I'm
that's the vlog from Nepal. That's our last adventure. Once again, thanks to KTM Nepal.
Thank you very much.
See you.
Okay.
See you. See you in the next vlog. Until then, rock on.